Okay, we're going to take a quick look here today at how to add a new block storage volume to a running instance. And I'm going to choose my Windows instance here. And this machine now has it has a need for additional disk space. Say I want to use say I want to create a D volume that I want to use for backup or something like that. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to first of all go over to this volumes, and I have a 30 gig volume sitting here that's available. If I didn't have one, I could just go ahead and create one, and it takes a few seconds or a few minutes actually to create one of these things using the wizard. So rather than wait for that to create, I'm going to just go ahead and use this existing volume, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach that volume to an instance, and this is in fact the Windows instance. It says that my Windows devices I can choose XVDF through XVDP. I've never had much it's never really mattered too much to me what we've put there. What I'm going to do here is, because I've got a /dev1/SDA/dev/SDA1 instance or a volume already on that instance, I'm just going to call this /dev/SDA2, and maybe that's a bad thing to do. I don't know. It seems to work okay. Go ahead and say attach, and it says it's attaching, but it actually only takes a few seconds to attach. And when I refresh my browser, it should come back and tell me that that is attached. And here's my additional device here that I'm going to just go ahead and delete. That was the one I created a second ago. Okay, well, we're not done yet. We've got to go into our desktop, our remote desktop program. So let me bring that up, and we're going to log into that machine. Okay, I can type in my credentials. And what I've got to do over here is I've got to run a utility called diskmgmt.msc and give it permission to run. Okay, so then this little utility will launch, and here is my new device. You can see here, if I look in say Explorer, I've currently just got a local C disk, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring this new disk online, and then I'm going to just go ahead and format that disk. I have the option here to make it a different drive letter if I want to, but I'm going to just go ahead and format it, and I'll just do a quick format here. And that takes a few seconds to run, and it's now formatted. And what I should have here, I now have a data volume D that I can do stuff with. I can copy files there if I want to, and that's it.